Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the develop effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect, and then scroll down to find the develop effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we're going to increase the effect by grabbing the end of it and bringing it to the end of the clip. Now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab and we can mess with the atmosphere, the soft light, and the speed of the effect, right? So let's do this. We're going to bring down the soft light because it seems like that has the most amount of, effect on the effect. And we're going to put a keyframe right over here. Actually, I'm going to take that keyframe out because the player head needs to be right here. Add the keyframe, and now we're going to bring it over here, increase the soft light all the way, and let's check it out. You can notice as the video, goes, you can see that the soft light is increasing because I added the keyframe. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.